Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well, and inshallah today I got a recipe for the younger generations who don't like the rotis and the curries. Zingerburger, breastburger, KFC style burger. Stay with me and I'll get straight into it as usual. I'm going to make the mixture first, so you're going to need the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce, and salt to taste. I'm using 1 tablespoon. And you'll give that a good mix. So all them herbs and spices, the mustard, the Worcester sauce, the vinegars nicely mixed until you get a nice paste, because this is what you're going to coat the chicken fillets in. Give it a mix and add some cooking oil in as well, about 2 tablespoons. Okay, once you got the mixture ready, then we can put that to the side and get the chicken fillets ready. And you cut the fillets in half. Like that. Sliced them so you can get 2 burgers out of 1 fillet. So you're going to put some cling film over it. And you can use a steak hammer or a rolling pin. You got to just thin it down until it's thinned down like that. So you got to get it thin like that, and you do more like that, the fillets. Okay, now I've got them all flattened out with the rolling pin. But like I said, you can use a steak hammer. Start putting the mixture on. So you get the fillet and just put it in. Bismillah. You got to get the mixture all over on the fillets. Yes. You got to coat it well like that. Okay, so you get the mixture on them all the fillets like that. Okay guys, now all the mixture's on. I'm going to leave this to marinate for at least an hour. If you can leave it more, well and good. While that's getting marinated, I'm going to get the coating flour ready. So for the coating flour, I'm going to need 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour that is. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, ground black pepper that is. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt to taste. And then I'll give this a good mix, so everything's mixed in. Put that to the side. We'll start mixing the other mixture which we're going to need to coat the chicken fillets with. I'm going to need 3 eggs, and half a cup of milk, and then you'll give this a good whisk. So you'll mix it until you got it like this, all the egg and the milk. The 3 eggs are mixed. Okay, the fillets have been marinating for over an hour now. Look at that. Bismillah. So I'm going to coat them with the egg mixture first and the milk. Let that drain off a bit, and then straight into the flour. Just press on it so it gets all coated. Look at that. Like fish fillets more than breast fillets, chicken breast. And then back into the egg and milk mixture, and then back into the flour. So you do it twice in there and twice in here. And then the other side. So you'll coat them all like that. And so all the fillets, the chicken breast fillets have been coated. Okay, we're going to start deep frying them. Bismillah. On a medium heat, put them in. Bismillah. Just give them a turn after about 3 minutes. And that's it then. Look at them, absolute beauties. I'll give them about 3.5 minutes aside until they're cooked. Okay guys, I'm gonna get the buns ready for the chicken fillets. Just give them about 20 seconds either side on very low heat. Chicken fillets are ready, so we'll just make the burgers. Bit of salad on both. Whatever you prefer, that's lettuce. The cucumbers are homegrown and the onions are homegrown. Bit of onions. Bit of tomatoes on both. Got two types of cheese here. One slightly more mature than the other. Two types of chili sauce. This is the sweet chili sauce, which I'm going to upload the recipe soon. And I'm going to put a bit on there as well. That's ready, that is. Look at that. You won't be able to buy this in a shop. That's the one with the sweet chili, and this is going to get hot chili on it. I love hot chili, so that one's for me. Look at that. MashaAllah, the burgers are ready. One with hot chili and one with sweet chili, whatever you prefer. But you won't be able to buy these quality ones. You just get them in the picture, but you can't get them over the counter. What you get over the counter is totally different to what you see on the picture in the shops. So I'm going to be uploading the sweet chili recipe soon and the hot chili recipe soon also. Please do have a go guys, so easy to do. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.